Did you know the moon has never made a single drop of her own light? Not once, in 4 billion years. Every night, poets like Ravi and Sophia and Amara looked up and wrote her love letters. Oh, glorious moon, you light the sky. And the moon just stood there thinking, girl, that's literally the sun. I'm just standing here. I am a rock in a trench coat. The guilt was eating her alive. But then one night she looked down and saw something. Every ocean on earth was moving because of her. Every sea turtle finding shore. Every woman's body keeping perfect time. Every sailor who ever made it home alive. She had been so busy feeling like a fraud about the light. She forgot she was literally holding the oceans together. Small truth. Imposter syndrome is loudest about the thing you borrowed, but it is completely silent about the gifts that were yours the whole time. You are not a fraud. You are just looking at the wrong thing. What gift have you been ignoring? Drop it in the comments. Rob.